Hi everyone, I want to share with you this wonderful knife that I got from Cutluxe. First of all, I want to thank them for sending me, it's 10-inch butcher knife, and I've been looking for a really good knife set, and they sent me this one, and I want to show you how wonderful it works. But first I want to show you the beautiful package that it comes in. So everyone needs some good knives at home, and I know that this, I can show you, the packaging is just really beautiful. So it comes with a nice little cloth in there, and of course your little informational packets, and then this cloth. But look at this beautiful knife. You can see this is all German steel. It's quite beautiful. It comes in a beautiful box. So it's almost like a gift wrap. And here it is, and I want to show you, it's extremely sharp, and I'm going to show you how wonderful it works. So this was a great gift for, I know, it's a little frightening, right? But what a wonderful, wonderful gift for somebody who is looking, who does a lot of maybe barbecuing, or they do a lot of meat, they love to cook. This is really sharp. The blade is super sharp, and I want to show you how wonderful it works. So here you go. Just move it back there and show you that I just got done making this brisket. And we ready? Here we go. You can see that it actually cuts so wonderfully. It's like smooth, like butter. Look at that. I'm going to do it extra thin pieces, and this does it in no time. So I cooked this brisket for several hours. This is also great for obviously steaks and ribs and anything. It's just wonderful. And this is my go-to that I will reach for whenever I make a nice meat. And you can just see how easily that cuts. The handle is beautiful. I am just so grateful them for sending me this. I absolutely love it, and I want to share it with you all. They come in all different knives that you could possibly need. They also have sets of knives. This just happens to be the butcher knife, and again, Cutluxe. The packaging was great. The using of it is great, and you know, carving turkey, carving roast beef, anything. Anyway, I'm going to clean this, put it back, and if you're looking for a fascinating looking and super handy knife, I want to show you how beautiful that did.